Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can check also what kind of apps I've been using frequently. We can check also the unlocks count and the notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you can do it with the usage of two different ways. So first of all, tap inside the graph and your device will show you the dashboard for the full screen time in each day. Under the graph, you can see what kind of apps you've been using and the exact time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, of course. And the second way is to tap only on the app. So, for example, settings, phone, camera, Chrome, etc. After tapping on it, you will also see this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, you can change the screen time and from daily to hourly if you want to. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.